Today we are making another earrings. Let's see the materials. 6mm jump rings. 4mm jump rings, butterfly charms. Earrings hook. I'll show you the jump ring size comparison. Let's start the making. Start by opening the small jump ring. Add 7 bigger jump ring in. Close the small jump ring. Take another small jump ring. Open it and connect to one of the 7 big jump rings. Next, add 7 more 6mm jump rings to the opened 4mm jump ring. Now we can close it. Make sure to close it securely. On the first 4mm jump rings, find the center between the 6mm rings. There should be 3 on each side. You can count to make sure it's correct. Take one earring hook and combine it with the center we get earlier. Let's put the charm. Find the middle between the 7 6mm at the bottom. Make sure it's the center or it might cause an imbalance in the earring. Open the center ring and put the butterfly charm in. Let's start for the other side. This second method is easier. Take one 4mm jump ring, open it and out the earring hook in. Then add 3 6mm jump rings in before switching to the other side to add for more.
Welcome to the place where dreams collide. Hands and heart in rhythm.
Now close the ring.
Every tiny tiny beat tells its own tale. Thread the magic, let your spirit sail. Stringing joy with colors.
You can easily catch the middle 6mm ring with this method. Next, take another 4mm jump ring and put on the center ring we got earlier. Continue by adding 3 6mm jump rings on one side, then 4 on the other side.
Catch the sparkle, let your fingers shine. In this space where artistry begins, the Beat Studio where love wins. Lay your worries down and find your peace in the tapestry of sweet release.
Close the open jump ring.
Loops a heartbeat soft but strong. Join our journey, come and sing this song. Threads of wonder.
Spot the center between the 7 6mm rings.
Inspiration blossoms.
Open the center ring.
Crafting moments in a gentle flow.
Make sure the front part of the butterfly charm faces to the front when wearing them.
Come along, create a world so fine. Catch the sparkle, let your fingers shine.
The front face for my charm is the flower.
Artistry begins.
Once you are sure, put the charm in. But even if you make a mistake, you can always turn it around.
Lay your worries down and find your peace in the tapestry of sweet release. Every loop's a heartbeat soft but strong. Join our journey, come and sing this song.